What if I told you that the secret to all of modern computing, from the graphics in your favorite video game to the AI that powers facial recognition, boils down to multiplying numbers in a very specific structured way? Welcome back. Today we are tackling one of the most fundamental and frankly most often confused topics in math and computer science, the matrix multiplication. Forget everything you think you know about basic multiplication. Matrix multiplication has its own rules. But don't worry, by the end of this short video, you will not only know how to multiply any two valid matrices, but you will also understand the crucial rules for why multiplication is even possible. So without further delay, let's jump back to the topic. What is matrix multiplication? It's the engine of modern computing, combining transformations like rotations and scaling in graphics and AI. Crucially, it is not element-wise multiplication. It has three rules that you must know. Rule 1. Dimensionality. For A multiply B to work, the inner dimensions, A's columns and B's rows, must be equal. If A is m cross n and B is n cross p, the result C is n cross p. Rule 2. The row by column rule. You take a row from the first matrix and multiply it by a column from the second. Rule 3. Order matters. A multiply B is rarely the same as B multiply A. Let's practice with 2 cross 2 example. To find the entry in the top left C11, we use row 1 by column 1. So 1 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply 7 equal to 19. To find C12, we use row 1 by column 2. So 1 multiply 6 plus 2 multiply 8 equal to 22. For C21, it's row 2 by column 1. So 3 multiply 5 plus 4 multiply 7 equal to 43. And finally C22 is row 2 by column 2. So 3 multiply 6 plus 4 multiply 8 equal to 50. So our final matrix C is 19, 22, 43 and 50. Now for a bigger test, a 2 cross 3 matrix by a 3 cross 2 matrix. The inner 3's match. So the result is 2 cross 2. To find C11, we use row 1 of A by column 1 of B. So 1 multiply 7 plus 2 multiply 9 plus 3 multiply 11 equal to 58. For C12, we use row 1 of A by column 2 of B. So 1 multiply 8 plus 2 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 12 equal to 64. Moving to the second row, C21 is row 2 of A by column 1 of B. So 4 multiply 7 plus 5 multiply 9 plus 6 multiply 11 equal to 139. And the last entry C22 is row 2 of A by column 2 of B. So you can do the same step that we did before and the result will be 154. So now you have mastered matrix multiplication. Remember the core principle, row by column every single time. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more essential math concepts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.